We have a Daikin ducted air conditioner. I had error code U4. We were told to switch off outdoor unit at isolator for about 10 minutes. Did this and now there is an error code of UF. Is there any quick way we can fix it ourselves, please? Regards, Jamie. Any idea when we may get an answer on above question, please?
JustAnswer is not free and experts are only paid by your acceptance. Okay. At any time, you may request further info and ask questions if you feel the need, even after accepting. This is not a problem. The code U4 is communication error between the indoor and outdoor units. The code UF is a more serious communication fault between the indoor and outdoor units. Try switching it off for an hour at the mains, and then try again. Okay. Failing that, Daikin gives 5 years warranty on their AC systems. Chase them up ASAP. Daikin Service Center's fault code sheet.
You didn't give me an answer. What you told me I already knew. Your answer was not any help.
To repair, you will need to work out which one of the two motherboards are faulty and replace it, or replace the cable that joins the two components if the boards both check out. Okay, I am assuming that you can do this, as you already knew the other info I gave you, so you won't need me to tell you how that is done either. To answer your question directly, there is no quick fix, as a component has failed and without the parts, you won't be able to change and test with. Cheers XXXXXXXXXXX Christmas.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.